everyone, and welcome to another episode of my brand new series titled Quick Ones. Today we'll be making some alkaline vegan stir fried oyster mushrooms. This is a great replacement for chicken and it's easy to make. So the first thing we're going to have to do is pluck the petals apart and set them aside. This is the central stem connecting all of the petals. You can set it aside and use it to make vegan broth. Next, cut a whole red bell pepper into strips. Cut a whole green bell pepper into strips, then break down your fennel. Separate the stalks from the bulb. The stalks can be used to make veggie broth. I'll be using these in my next video. So we're going to be slicing up and using the entire bulb, but first we're going to cut off the tip of the core. Roughly chop some tarragon. Fennel and tarragon are similar in taste, so they go well together. I think we're all set. Let's head to the stove. Add some grapeseed oil to a cast iron pan on medium-high heat, then toss in your oyster mushroom petals. Spread out the petals so they'll cook evenly. This is a grill press. It's quite heavy, so we're going to use it to push down on the mushroom so we can get some searing. This is quite dangerous, and I'll advise you put on some mittens while doing it. Anyway, let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip it over, press it, and let it cook for another 5 minutes. When your mushroom petals are done, move them to the back of the pan to make room for other vegetables. Add some onions and some freshly chopped ginger. After about 30 seconds, add your sliced fennel. You can maintain your heat at medium-high, or you can go a little bit higher if needed. Give it a really good mix, then you can adjust your oil if necessary. Add some sea salt and about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Add some dried ground papaya seeds as a replacement for black pepper. I love fresh thyme because of its really sharp flavor. Add some fresh thyme. Add your green and red bell pepper strips. Give it a really good mix, then add some basil and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Add some freshly chopped tarragon. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos, then add some date syrup for sweetness. You saw this here first. Add some raw sesame seeds, then you're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Manny and I make recipes from all over the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and I'll see you all next week.